to my channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I hope you guys are having a good fall. And just to let you know, I finally received my Ipsy Ultimate. It has been damaged from 10 Ways to Sunday here. So you want to see if it survived? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So my Ipsy story is, I got on the list, whatever. They took the money out of my account October 1st, and I was trying to track the package. Well, they sent it to the wrong address. So then I had to wait for them to reroute it, and I received it a couple days ago. And again, the condition is deplorable. Now, because it went through so many post office, it's obviously the post office fault and not Ipsy. So I have seen almost everybody's review on this box, and they were not positive. So I'm going to keep an open mind. I believe I paid $50 for this box. Even if I don't like some of the products, if I get, my $50 or $75 or $100 worth of products, then I'm okay, because we all know that we always don't like everything in every box. So again, this was the 50, and just to let you know, before I opened the box, I already canceled. I was just so upset with having to track this package down, and I had canceled the other two before, but it's like I should not have to work this hard, especially when I'm promoting their box on my channel. So let's get into it. This is what it looks like, how it came. And again, there's been so many videos out there. Again, I was a little disappointed that I didn't get it to the end of the month, but what are you gonna do? So there is, I guess, the booklet with everything that is in here. And of course, I knew I was getting this Betty Boop bag. I didn't realize that there was like sequency looking stuff on this side, but it is a cute bag. I will probably gift this because, I've got so many bags and this is not one I would reach for. And the next thing I got in here are the brushes, and I was looking forward to getting these brushes. Sorry, there's a little glare coming across because of the packaging of the brushes. But I know I'm going to keep them. Let me grab my scissors. Sorry about that. I'm filming this on a Saturday and hoping to get it up today. So I'm hoping you guys are having a great weekend. So I got the 3 brushes, and they packaged them very nice. If you go to Sephora or Ulta, you pay a pretty good price for brushes. And this is the Cherry and, doesn't say, they're the Farrah brushes, but they're so soft, and it's got this blue color, and they're all the same. I have to see what you use them for. This one looks like it could be a contouring brush, cheek brush, and maybe a highlighter brush. So the brushes are nice. Farrah's a good brand. And this box is just like all over the place. It won't even stay open. And the next thing is the serum. It's a hydrating, moisturizing, enhancing. I've never heard of the company, but who doesn't love a good serum? So and it's a nice size. So between the brushes and the serum, it is not a bad box. Then This is my favorite, the Pharmacy Green Tea Makeup Melt Away Cleansing. When I first started doing like BoxyCharm and all them, I actually received 2 of them. They were 2 different subscriptions, but they both sent the same. So I got rid of one, but I kept one, and I love this. So if you got this box and you're not sure, this stuff is the best. You just put it on, it just melts your makeup right off. So I am happy, and I think, I don't know if they put the retail prices on here, but it was like $20, $30 alone just for this. I'm just gonna check to see if they put the prices on here. It doesn't look like they did, but I'll get into that later. Then there is the Betty Boop Ipsy. I need another cup of coffee. Sorry you guys are leaning. I need to get a good camera stand. If any of you can recommend just a good tabletop camera stand, I'd appreciate it. Actually, it's not a camera, it's an iPhone. So in this package that I cannot open, because you know me. Okay, I am back. I finally got the package open. Sorry about that. They did wrap it really nicely. So this is what the outside, hopefully there's not a big glare on there. And it's a highlighter palette. Not sure if it's a cheek highlighter. Really, really pretty colors, and it would definitely fit in your handbag. It is a blush palette, cheek to cheek blush palette in peach. So I really like this. So I think there's some good products in here. I know a lot of people didn't like it, but I'm kind of liking it. I was just really upset with the customer service and how long it took to get it. And the next thing is the Pure Elise Matcha Green Tea Priming Moisturizer. Now that looks good. See if it's open. Of course it's not. I can't smell it, but this is 1.7 ounces. Again, so this is a nice size, and I'm sure it wasn't, you know, on the cheap side. There's still a bunch more goodies in here. Then there's the Huda Beauty Palette. Okay, now this is probably going to be a challenge. Oh, it wasn't. Surprise, surprise. Beautiful fall colors. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I have so many palettes. I just hate to have them sit around and nobody use them. So I do like to gift them. I randomly will send some to a subscriber that's been watching me for a while. So I will keep this. I am wearing my Pure Barbie palette today. And we have Nanette Lepore Beautiful Times. Don't know what this is. It's a big box, and there's a tube in there, and I don't know what it is. Was it a spray? Oh my God, it smells delicious. It smells like summer. I like that. And it doesn't really say, oh it is, it's an eau de parfum. So I really like the smell of this. Definitely gonna go in the handbag. Then we have a couple little goodies in here. We have the beautiful, it's a lip gloss, Refresh lip gloss. Definitely a nice size. And I can't open it, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Then the Unicorn Glow, and it's a hydrating primer. So we got a couple primers in here, and you probably can't get too many primers, right? And I think there's a couple more things in here. Oh. So there's a lot of samples in here. The Natural Shea Butter masks. One's avocado and one's shea butter. So those are nice because I'm a maskaholic. And then there is the eyeshadow champagne. And I will definitely put this in a giveaway. As I said, I canceled a lot of my subscriptions because I was getting way too much makeup. I mean, how many spray mists can you use? How many cleansers can you use? Mascara's out the door. So I put a hold, but this is really, oh, it's by Color Rain. It is a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see it or if the glare. So I will definitely put this in a little giveaway. And then the last thing in the box is Eggplant Mud Mask. Oh. So that's nice. Again, you guys are tipping. Lean to one side. Okay. So I think that was everything in my beatable box. So let's just go over what the sheet says. I didn't think it was a bad box. Again, I didn't buy it again. I canceled because of the customer service. So the first thing was the Eau de Parfum by Nanette Lepore, Beautiful Times, and that did smell really good. And then the Pharmacy, as I said, I love this, and I know it retails for closer to $30. And then the the avocado and the shea butter. And then our Eggplant Cleansing Clearing Mud Cream Mask. The Matcha Green Tea Priming Moisturizer, which I can't wait to try. The Reflect Lip Gloss in Opulence. The Huda Beauty Palette, the Color Rain, the Unicorn Glow, the Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette, which I did like, and the Treatment Serum and the brushes. So, what did you think? I know I've watched a lot of you, sorry, you keep tilting, a lot of you YouTubers, and you were very disappointed. And I even think I saw something where people are going after to get a refund or whatever. I wouldn't say I would do that because it wasn't a bad box. Is it kind of what they said it would be? No, but it definitely was worth the $50. You know, you got to try things once, see how they are, and then make a decision. You know, boxes are going to be hit or miss. So I like the box, not the damaged box. So let me know what you think. Comment, comment, comment. And you guys have an awesome weekend.